Hey guys, Steve Welch here with Beaman Toyota in Nashville. I am in Bowling Green, Kentucky with a Toyota event here. I wanted to show you something with the crawl control. Check this out real quick.
Kentucky clay, it's just so greasy when it's wet. It's hard to drive through. So we're going to show you this. Again, crawl is a feature. If the truck's sitting in the showroom floor, it's hard to put value in it. It's one of those things you need to be able to see or let people experience it. If you've got a curb or a sidewalk or something you put it in crawl and let it crawl up on, people will see how good the system is. The old crawl system was violent, really loud, hard to sell in a good light. The new ABS system is a recirculating ball, so it's smooth and quiet. Standing here, baby's not driving. His feet are underneath the pedals or underneath the seat. All he's doing is steering. Watch this truck push its way through. We're talking about traction. In a severe case, even with the sway bar disconnected, you're going to get a tire off the ground. Crawl doesn't care. And here's what crawl can do that you can't do. When you hit the brakes, brake pressure goes to all four wheels. Crawl can send it to one tire. So I need one tire to not turn because it's low on traction. Brakes will grab that tire and move the power to the wheel that's fully loaded. That tire doesn't have any traction. You notice it's not spinning. The power is going to the wheels that actually have traction. And so he's holding it with the brake. As soon as he comes off the brake, it starts crawling again. And as slick as this is, and he's in the slowest setting. So you notice you can't hear it. The old system used to be able to hear. And as wet as this is, it doesn't care that there are wheels up in the air. Now the truck, because all the weight's in the front, tends to pick up the rear tires. The Land Cruiser, because it's a wagon, it's got the rear hatch, tends to pick up the front tires. But that's a pretty good lift right there. Good approach and departure angle. Now this thing does three tires. Go to 170. Yes, but that's this truck will actually pick up front tires. But I want you to notice this thing's on street tires. And this thing still figures out how to not spin wheels. When you try to drive and you hit that bank, you end up spinning. We tried it. We get paid to do this. We can't do this. Crawl can't. Watch it. That's a crawl. That's not him. A little to the right, please. To the right. There we go. Even the mud flaps kind of have a hinge on it. Everything in this truck is really smooth. And yet, if you're standing in the showroom, I can explain that. So, what we want to do is we're going to sit in the front passenger seat. Unless you have any questions right now, and you can ask them when you get in the car. It's starting to rain again. So we're going to sit in the front passenger seat. So let's get back in the trucks. Somebody drive.